Is it time to buy or sell Fitell stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Fitell. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 23rd of September, 2025, our system has classified Fitell as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, currently reflecting a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. In the event of any pullback, there will now be support at the resistance level of $1.28, a point that may offer a second chance for significant gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 70.97% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -90.06% to -74.16%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -63.24%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from -100% to -27.88% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $6.10. Our latest daily update for Fitell includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Fitell Corporation stock price on Tuesday, moving between $7.12 and $15.79. The Fitell Corporation stock price gained 1,658.84% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 23rd of September 2025, rising from 48.1 cents to $8.46. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 121.77%, with a day low at $7.12 and a day high of $15.79. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is increased by 1,975.56% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 3 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 3 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $28,640,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $49.50. and the lowest price was 36 cents. Currently, the price is 82.91% or $41.04, below the 52-week high of $49.50, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Fitell Corporation is making significant moves this week that could reshape investor sentiment. The company has completed a 1-for-16 share consolidation effective today, reducing the share count and mechanically lifting the per-share price while retaining the FTEL ticker on NASDAQ. This step follows a notice from NASDAQ in April regarding a bid price below $1, indicating that the consolidation is clearly aimed at meeting listing standards and stabilizing trading liquidity. Earlier in 2025, Fitell raised fresh capital through a registered direct offering, securing $4 million upfront along with warrants that could generate additional proceeds, alleviating near-term funding pressure. Now Fitell has announced a new strategic pivot, a financing facility of up to $100 million to launch a Solana digital asset treasury and on-chain yield program. Advisors have been appointed to manage decentralized finance and structured strategies, with the ambition of becoming a leading public Solana holder in Australia. In the short term, anticipate volatility as markets adjust to the consolidation, the potential dilution from warrants, and the new exposure to cryptocurrency. The consolidation may temporarily support the share price. Over the longer term, the success of the Solana treasury could provide non-operating gains and yield, thereby strengthening the balance sheet. However, it also links equity performance to fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market, as well as risks associated with smart contracts and regulatory challenges, which may increase earnings volatility and investor scrutiny. Analysts have assigned Fitell stock a general strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Fitell. The Fitell Corporation stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $1.62 and 71.3 cents. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 9th of September, 2025, and since then, it has increased by 1,975.56%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12 months chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Fitell. There's no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the next few days. This stock is likely to exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And, with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $8.67 between its high and low, representing a change of 121.77%. In the course of the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 32.69%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Fitell, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Fitell. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the other hand, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and only consider placing bets if you are an experienced trader capable of navigating such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.20, representing a decline of 3.06%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. The 14-day Relative Strength Index stands at 97, further amplifying this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is Fitell stock a good buy? Fitell Corporation holds several positive signals, yet we find these insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting to hold or accumulate in this position while we await further developments. Our analysis has been updated since the last evaluation, changing from a sell recommendation to a hold after assessing the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 24th of September, we anticipate Fitell will open higher by $2 and start trading at $10.46. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.